So now let's start combining some of these things. So let's bring back our pets array. So let's have a pets array of, we'll just make it 4 this time, 4 pets, and they're going to be strings, of course. And we have to do our open close brackets. We'll do bird, dog, cat, and fish. Now let's suppose, because we know we can just print pets and it'll print across, let's just review that. Print pets and it'll print across the board. So let's do clear, and you can see it prints it across like this. But let's suppose we want to print each pet on a new line. You know, how do we do that? That's different. We need a for loop. So let's create a for loop. We can say, and this is a little different than the for loops we just did. We're now going through, we're looping through this range of pets. So we can say for, and we can say index, remember I is for index, for I, comma, and each pet, so we'll say pet, colon equals the range of pets. And then our brackets like we had for the for loop. So for each I, for each index and pet, in pets, we want to print the pets. So we can say print fmt.println pet, singular, because we want to print each individual pet in the pets array. And this will also work with slices, by the way. So if we made it a slice instead of a array, it would work. We're not going to use I here in this case, so if we don't use something, remember underscore. Let's save that. But we can't just eliminate I, it still has to be there, so we'll just say underscore comma pet in range pets. We saved it, clear, and now each pet should print on a new line because we're using println. Perfect. Yep, bird, so pet 1 is bird, it prints it, the next pet is dog, prints it, and then it just knows to stop after the last pet, fish, which is nice about, inconvenient about this range function.